Hello and welcome. My name is Robin and this is the channel. So today I'm going to unbox Glossybox. Now I don't get Glossybox, so why do I have it? Well, I was watching Missjackierussell and she had the special edition Mother's Day box. And when she unboxed it, I'm like, right in the middle of it, I stopped her video to see if they had any more, and they did. So I had to order it, and I just got it probably last week. So I'm a little bit behind on my unboxings as normal. So I'm going to unbox it. So you probably have seen a bunch of these, but of course with all my mistakes, mine is going to be different. So Glossybox, I think is $21, but they have all sorts of specials and discount codes, and there's a ton of YouTubers, and I'll leave Jackie's link because I think she has a special discount code that you can save it and get it maybe $16 a month. And but this is their Mother's Day box. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I so appreciate it. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, you know how much I appreciate you guys. So I am posting this, videoing it on a Tuesday. Friday I go in for my, well, it's the doctor's appointment, so I'm kind of hoping within the next couple days after that, I will be going in for my cataract surgery so that I can see again and I can wear eye makeup again. And then I'm going to make my hair appointment, so I'll have maybe not so much gray here. So enough said about my issues. This was a special Mother's Day box, and you could pick pink or blue, and I picked the blue. I don't think it makes a difference what's in the box. I think it's the actual outside box. So I'm so excited. When you see what is in this box, you're gonna have wanted one. Now, I don't know if they have any because it's past Mother's Day, and I don't know. When you go to the Glossybox website, they'll list all their special boxes, and you can buy past boxes. So if this is available, you can still get it. And it is so adorable. And it comes very nicely wrapped. And this little box had so much in it. So as I said, I'm sorry to Jackie, but as soon as she started taking stuff out of the box, I'm like, I had to pause the video and order. Okay. And I don't think there was a card that said everything that was in it. It was just like, you take it out of the box and then you're like, oh my God, look what's in here. And so I know it's in here, but I am gonna be surprised anyway. So these were sunglasses, and they're my style sunglasses. And see if I can get them out. They're a rose gold color, and they have like a little plasticky on the side, but and you know, we get sunglasses in so many lifestyle boxes and beach themed boxes, but I lose them like crazy. Or like I'll leave a couple pair in my car, I'll leave like a pair in the side-by-side, so I just leave them everywhere. But these looked really cool. So, moving the tag. So, all right, so much for this tag. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna keep these, and I have the scissors right here. And they are made by Velvet Trends. Can't say I heard of it. Let's see if I can get rid of this tag. Okay, let's try this again. So what do you think? Are they me? They're very comfortable. So that was the first thing, and they came in a nice little cloth. And I think when she took those out, I'm like, that's it, I'm getting the box. And I'd have paid $5 more because I am not a Glossybox. I think it's $35 if you're not a member and $30 if you are. So I think I paid $35 and it was free shipping and everything else. And then there was the Volumizing Mist, Cuvée Beauty for your hair. And she did take this out as well. And then it was like, okay, a hair product for my hair, yes please. So I can always use the hair product. And then there's this by Bioderm, and this is a purifying cleansing. And look at the size of this bottle. It's plastic, it's got the nice cap on there, but you can't beat that. And I know Bioderma is a popular brand, and that was in there. So are you with me as to why I had to get this box? And this was pushed in, but this is Newt Stick Lemon Aid Detox and Glow Micro Peel. Lemon and papain, apple and pomegranate micro peeling. So I'm assuming this is a mask. So always good for a mask Monday. And you know I make a mess of those anyway. And then this is by Lorazzi. I can't remember what was in there. Okay. I can't remember what was in there and how to open it. So anyway, I have a couple giveaways. I have like two giveaways coming up, but I also have a couple of collabs. And with those collabs that I have coming up, there's giveaways in those collabs. So look for those. And what the heck? I can't know what I'm doing with this. Do I actually have to go and watch a video again? So we have this. So I'm gonna put this to the side because I'm a dork and I can't figure out what to do with this. So I'm gonna have to stop the video at some point and figure out what that is. Then we have by Lorazzi, and I've heard of this brand before, and it looks like it could be an eyeshadow palette. Now I can't remember if it was an eyeshadow or a cheek palette. And I have no nails, so that is on the list as well to get my nails done. So see, my video is so different because I'm such a hot mess. Okay, and comes in this nice container. Assuming it's an eye palette, please look at those colors. And this says it is the Artistry palette and it's cruelty free. So I'm guessing it's an eye palette. And there's still more. And there's this Glass House fragrances. So this must be some perfume. I know, am I killing you on that other product? And there looks like there was 4 perfumes in here. And we have Forever Florence. Okay. And you know, now we're gonna have to smell them. I'm not gonna spray them because if I spray one, I won't be able to smell the other ones. So there's 4. And we have Forever Florence, and then we have a Tara Affair, and it's Devotion. Actually, I won't take them all out. And then we have Toyota in Bloom, and it's Camellia and Lotus. And there's one more. How fun is this? And Saffron in Rose, Midnight in Milan. So we did have 4 fragrances. And then we have Give Them Lala Beauty. And was this a mascara? I think this was, and it's black. Yeah, this is a mascara, so I'm not gonna open it. This will go into a giveaway. And then we have this big item, and it's Grand Pout by Grand Cosmetics. And I believe it was a lip scrub. Pumps, hydrates, and reduces. And of course, it's in a box, and boxes do get destroyed. But I know I'm going to keep it, so I am going to go on a destruction mission. And there is a booklet on how to use it. That's what it looks like. Look at how nice the packaging is. And it's got a little spoon there to get it out. Oh my God, I can smell it. It smells delicious. So I'm gonna pause you so that I can tackle the mystery item. Okay, I'm back with the mystery item. It was like glued, so you had to unglue it, and since I didn't know what was in there, I didn't want to like break anything. And there were brushes. There were a couple of eye brushes, so that is nice for the eye palette. So just to recap, we have the eye brushes that came in this packaging that I won't use again because I couldn't figure it out. Then we have mascara. We have 4 fragrances, which I just love fragrances. And then we have this lip scrub, which I will definitely use. And we have this face mask that I'm very tempted to try on Mask Monday. We have this hair product, which I am definitely going to use. The mascara is going to go in a giveaway. And the facial cleanser, which I'm going to use. And this palette, and I'm going to show it to you one more time because I think it might go in a giveaway. What do you think? It is hard to open. Okay, I can't open it, but I will post a picture on Instagram. And my favorite thing in the box were these sunglasses. I thought they were pretty cool. So let me know what your favorite item is. Let me know if you like this Mother's Day box. This is set for $35, and I know they have like boxes for Easter, boxes at Christmas time. Again, I'll leave Missjackierussell's link for when she did the unboxing, because I think she had a discount code if you want to sign up for Glossybox. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.